Best activities to keep kids busy this summer. Hey there, parents and caregivers. Summer is here, and with it comes the challenge of keeping your kids entertained and engaged. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's explore some fantastic activities to keep your school-age kids busy, happy, and learning all summer long. From creative craft ideas to exciting summer games and fun DIY projects, there's something here for everyone. Let's dive in and have some fun. Here are a few craft ideas for the kids. 1. DIY tie-dye t-shirts. Tie-dye is a classic summer activity that's both fun and creative. All you need are plain white t-shirts, tie-dye kits available at most craft stores and online, rubber bands, and a little imagination. Your kids will love making their own colorful creations. 2. Nature collage. Take a nature walk and collect leaves, flowers, and small twigs. Once you're home, grab some paper, glue, and markers. Let your kids create beautiful nature collages that they can proudly display. 3. Homemade bird feeders. Teach your kids about nature with this simple project. Using a pine cone, peanut butter, and birdseed, your kids can create a feeder that will attract local birds to your yard. It's a fun way to introduce them to bird watching. 4. Painted rocks. Collect some smooth, flat rocks and let your kids paint them with fun designs, animals, or inspirational messages. These painted rocks can be used to decorate your garden or as unique paperweights. Fun summer games. 1. Water balloon toss. Beat the heat with this refreshing game. Fill up a bunch of water balloons and have a friendly competition to see who can toss and catch the balloons without breaking them. Perfect for a hot summer day. 2. Backyard obstacle course. Create an obstacle course using household items like hula hoops, jump ropes, and cones. Time your kids as they run through the course and see if they can beat their best times. It's a great way to keep them active and entertained. 3. Scavenger hunt. Plan a scavenger hunt around your backyard or local park. Create a list of items for your kids to find, such as a red leaf, a smooth rock, or a feather. This activity encourages exploration and observation. 4. Sponge water bombs. Make water play even more exciting with sponge water bombs. Cut sponges into strips, tie them together with string to form a ball, soak them in water, and let the water fights begin. Check out these DIY projects for kids. 1. Mini garden. Help your kids start their own mini garden. You can use small pots, soil, and seeds or starter plants. They can grow flowers, herbs, or even vegetables. It's a wonderful way to teach them about responsibility and the environment. 2. Homemade Play-Doh. Make Play-Doh from scratch with ingredients you probably already have at home. Mix 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of salt, 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of oil, and a few drops of food coloring. Your kids can spend hours molding and shaping their creations. 3. DIY lava lamp. Create a mesmerizing lava lamp using a few household items. Fill a bottle with water and vegetable oil, add a few drops of food coloring, and then drop in an Alka-Seltzer tablet. Watch as the colorful bubbles rise and fall, creating a calming effect. 4. Solar oven s'mores. Teach your kids about solar energy by building a simple solar oven. Using a cardboard box, aluminum foil, plastic wrap, and black construction paper. Once the oven is ready, use it to make delicious s'mores. More fun activity ideas. 1. Outdoor movie night. Set up an outdoor movie night with a projector and a white sheet or a portable screen. Don't forget the popcorn and cozy blankets. It's a fun way to enjoy a family movie under the stars. 2. Sidewalk chalk art. Encourage your kids to create masterpieces on your driveway or sidewalk using colorful chalk. They can draw pictures, create hopscotch games, or even design their own obstacle courses. 3. DIY science experiments. Turn your kitchen into a mini science lab. Try simple experiments like making a volcano with baking soda and vinegar, creating slime with glue and borax, or observing the effects of different liquids on gummy bears. 4. Reading Challenge. Start a summer reading challenge with a list of books appropriate for their age group. Set goals and rewards for each book they finish. It's a great way to keep their minds sharp while having fun. There you have it, a variety of activities to keep your kids busy and entertained this summer. Whether they are crafting, playing games, or working on DIY projects, these ideas are sure to spark their creativity and keep boredom at bay. Don't forget to capture these moments and share your experiences in the comments below. Happy summer! If you enjoyed this post, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational content. See you next time!